So let me show you a simple trick on your YouTube studio you can use to get 4,000 watch hour. This is very easy to do and it is very fast. So you don't need a external app, you don't need to download any other app to do it. You just go over to your YouTube studio and get your 4,000 watch hour. Go over to your browser. I'm going to uninstall my YouTube studio app. Okay, type studio.youtube.com. So this is studio.youtube.com. But make sure you don't have the app. If you have the app, YouTube app on your phone, it will take you back to the YouTube app. But if you don't have the YouTube app, it will open. So if it's taking you back to the YouTube app, that's this first one. So it's taking you back to the YouTube app. So what I'll do is I'll go and uninstall the YouTube app. So this is my YouTube Studio app. So I'll click on remove app. So I'll come back again and so I'll click on continue to studio. So to bring it to your YouTube studio. So what you just do is you come over here on this place you see ask studio dot equity partner for your channel. So you click on this icon that looks like a star, that is ask studio. So this is it. So it will bring you to this interface. You say how can I help you? So you now type tell studio.youtube that okay, judging from my most view video and most watched and video with the most audience retention, just do that, suggest video idea for me, suggest video idea that I can post on my channel to get watch time. You can include the number of watch time you need and subscribers as well. So I'll just say watch time and also subscribers. So you can leave it at watch time if you already have 1,000 subscribers. So this is what I'll tell studio.youtube. So I'll click on send. It has given me its honest review. It says analyzing the performance of unique reads, it's clear that the audience is highly engaged with practical high value content, specifically around financial opportunities like grants and leveraging AI for content creation. So this is what it's giving me. This is my most view and best for watch time is grant money. Okay, it says strategy for watch time and subscribers. To maximize watch time and subscribers, you should focus on step-by-step tutorials. Your audience isn't just looking for tools; they want to see the process to gain subscribers. So it has given me its honest review. It says analyzing the performance of unique reads, it's clear that the audience is highly engaged with practical high value content, specifically around financial opportunities like grants and leveraging AI for content creation. So this is what it's giving me. This is my most view and best for watch time is grant money. Okay, and as your audience isn't just looking for tools, they want to see the process to gain subscribers, continue focusing on high urgency financial content. Okay, so this is what I can post to get 1,000 subscribers, to get my watch time on this channel. So you can ask any question you want to ask on this particular part of your YouTube studio and you get your answer immediately. This is more than AI. This is studio.youtube. If you're asking ChatGPT or every other AI, they might not have access to your YouTube history and your YouTube channel. But this particular part of your YouTube studio has access to your YouTube channel and everything in your YouTube. It is giving you the breakdown and it's giving you idea on what to do and how to continue. So just go back to your YouTube studio and use this particular feature that YouTube has brought out and get all the answers you want and get your 4,000 watch hour in no time. Okay, it says it has given me to hit 4,000 watch hours, focus on full workflow tutorials, 10 plus minutes. The audience want to see the process from start to finish. Keep highlighting free versus paid comparison. So this is how to create a viral AI news channel for free using only mobile apps. So this is yes, capitalize on audience demand for free AI content. So this is the secret to perfect AI character consistency. Okay, create a full movie for free, and this are the okay, and this is step by step tutorial how create an AI kid story channel that actually gets monetized in 2026. So this is very strong topics that YouTube has given me, and I'm going to, and if you follow this process and create all this, follow this process to work on these videos, you can ask YouTube to also give you step by step on how to create each of the video. It will break it down for you on how to create your videos. It can even give you the video scripts that you can work on. So just try this on your channel and you'll be smiling to your 4,000 watch hours, and your subscribers will also blow up. Thank you for watching. See you in my next one. Bye.